Horizontal print versus angle print. Printing flat or horizontal is faster and sometimes easier. Fewer layers, fewer supports, but the downside, you get layer lines on curved surfaces, like this one. Big flat sections can warp, and your print is more likely to fail because of resin suction against the film. Angling the model spreads the layers across the surface. It helps curves and cylinders like train boilers or domes looks smoother, and the supports they mostly touch the underside, meaning less sanding and cleanup. Another big reason suction force horizontal prints make big layers that stick to the film, and that can cause layer shifts or tears. When you angle the model, the cross section per layer is smaller. Peel forces are lower and prints are more reliable. For hollow shells, angling helps resin drain naturally instead of getting trapped inside. And if you care about details, um, panels or faces, printing at an angle preserves those details better because they are not directly parallel to the layers. Of course, angle increase print time because the model is taller and has more layers, but in my experience and quality and reliability are worth it, especially for shells that will be painted or handled. So, horizontal or angle? It's about the trade-off between speed and surface quality. For my Trackmaster shells, I always go with angle. It gives smoother curves, better details, and a few surprises during printing, like this one. So, as you can see right here, this warped and it was printed on purpose horizontal for a sample uh, testing. And as you can see here, there is heavy stepping layers on these areas. That's the reason we need to avoid. And here is more pronounced on FDM prints. They look more pronounced than on resin, but side by side there's a big huge difference. Compare these splashers, see that side by side, this area smooth finish, this is bad. So horizontal versus angle, I go with the angle uh, print.